Laminate board, a practical and economical flooring choice. Laminate board, an inexpensive and easy to install top flooring layer. Installation is simple, reduces setup costs, and offers a wide range of design choices. Here you see wood imitation laminate, which is hard to distinguish from real wood. Laminate floors are easy to maintain and look like natural wood. High-quality laminate is durable and suitable for various spaces. Perfect for the living room, bedroom, and even public spaces. Also suitable for areas with high foot traffic. In this video, I will show you how to easily lay laminate. This video is intended not for professionals, but for those who want to install flooring on their own. The choice of underlays is wide, from economy to high class. Economy class underlays are usually made of expanded polyethylene. Medium and premium class underlays are often made of cork or special materials. This underlay is adapted for electric heated floors. The subfloor surface must be even. First, a 2 mm film is laid, then a 2 mm thick cork underlay is placed. Before cutting, we mark the points. The board should be slightly longer than the cutting length. Press the board and cut it precisely. Installing laminate flooring is a real pleasure. After preparing the floor and laying the underlay, it is possible to install 30 square meters of flooring in one day. Before installation, laminate boards should be kept in the room for 3 or 4 days to adapt to the room conditions. The best installation temperature is around 18 degrees Celsius. Before starting, it is recommended to open several packs of laminate boards. Since the boards may vary slightly, they can be matched together. The first row can be installed in several ways. It is important to ensure it is straight, especially if the wall is not perfectly even. For this, longer support wedges, or, as in this case, a ruler is used. Boards from the first row are used for leveling the joints. Another method is the staggered approach, where 3 rows are installed at once. The first row is longer, the second shorter, and the third even shorter. This pattern continues to the end. This method is more convenient as it allows precise cutting of the boards. Cutting the last board precisely helps reduce material waste. This installation technique helps save laminate boards. It is important to pay attention to the usage class of the laminate. For example, Class 33 laminate is suitable for intensive use. Chinese economy class laminated boards may be less reliable. A 5 is a high scratch resistance class, while AC6 is the highest. This means that these boards will maintain their aesthetic appearance for a long time. Water resistance of the laminate is also important. The water resistance of economy class laminate is often questionable. Resistance depends not only on the coating, but also on the density of the laminate board. High quality, dense laminate is more resistant to moisture. Additional measures such as waxed locks help but do not determine resistance. A well-visible, dense board structure ensures better moisture resistance. Also, a very interesting lock mechanism pulls in the next board being installed. For laminate installation, an electric jigsaw will be needed. Vetges, a tapping block, an angled tapping tool, and a hammer are also required. We start the new row with the plank cut from the previous row. Insert it. And tap in the middle. Then from the edges. Align it and place the wedge. At the door, we place a longer plank, not shorter than 40 centimeters. The flooring can be installed either from the right or the left side. When installing from the left side, the first plank should be left with a larger gap. When the lock is at the bottom, a larger gap is needed. The hardest part is to precisely align the next plank's lock, so they do not break each other. When tapping, it's worth slightly pressing the end of the connecting plank. We mix the planks to avoid repeating patterns. This plank has already been used, so we will not use it and will select another one with a different pattern. We choose a plank with a different pattern to avoid repetition. The plank is installed at an angle of about 35 degrees, but other options are possible. We leave a gap so that the lock does not catch. To properly connect the planks, we give the first tap in the middle. We measure the length of the last plank by flipping it, mark the edge, leaving about 1 centimeter, cut it, insert it, and press it using the square. leave a ½ centimeter gap so the floor has enough space to expand. We pull the last row using the square. If there are pipes, we cut a hole and make a joint, leaving a neat edge for finishing. Carefully remove and process the wood, then put it back in place. The cable installation is done before laying the floor. We installed these laminate floors about 30 square meters in 2 days. The work took 2 weekend days because additional preparation was needed. Infrared film was laid under the laminates. Although additional work took time, the floor installation was not difficult. We already gained some skills, so the work went smoother. For a professional, it would take even less time if there are no complex corners or cutouts. Such an area can be installed in a day. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel by clicking the button on the right. Good luck!